Now I want to show you how to get a pretty edge stitch on this collar edge. And so if you have a foot that's called an edge stitching foot, it'll have a little bar right here on the edge. And what you do is you line that up with the edge of the collar that's already been finished. And then you move your needle position over. And however far you want to put your needle position over depends on you as far as how close you want to be. I usually just put it over just a half of an amount. And as I'm following, do you see how the curve just comes right up there against that little bar? And you cannot go wrong when you've got that bar as a guide. It just snugs right up over that, beside it. And I'm going to show you in a minute how pretty this ends up looking, because it's so even and it's so close, and you just can't do this without the foot. Take a look at that. Now that's what you see on ready to wear, and isn't that nice? Very nice.